Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my random favorites. I try to do this at least once a month. I think I skipped last month. I had some trouble finding things that I was really into, but this month I have a lot of things that I'm excited to share with you guys. So if you want to see things that I have been loving that are totally random, then just keep on watching.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotion.
Okay, so the first thing that I have been loving, I found when I went to visit my sister. She had this in her shower and I was using her guest bathroom and I used it and I fell in love. So I went to Walmart and picked some up, and it is this Love Beauty Planet shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. They also have a body butter, and I believe they even have some dry shampoo, which I have not tried. This is in the Meyer butter and rose. I know I'm butchering that, but it smells like rose, and I'm not typically a huge rose scent fan, but this stuff smells so good. It's just the Love Beauty and Planet Blooming Color and the Meyer butter and rose. This is the shampoo. It says for color treated hair, and then the awesome thing about it is that it is relatively healthy, or at least healthier than a lot of the options out there. They use recycled plastic. It's got organic coconut oil, natural Meyer butter, ethically sourced rose, safe for colored hair. It's vegan, it's plant-based, it's not tested on animals, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, and no guilt. And then they say bottle made from 100% recycled plastic. So this one is the shampoo, this one is the conditioner, and then I have the body wash as well. Madeline has the lavender one in her shower, and it also smells really good, but this one is my favorite. The packaging is adorable. I got it at Walmart. You can get it at lots of different places, but yeah, I've really been loving it, and I highly recommend trying this out. The shampoo is my absolute favorite. My hair smells so amazing when I use this, and it smells good for days. I love the way it makes my hair feel when I'm done using it. I just love everything about it. So I would definitely check this stuff out if you could find it. I will try and find it and link it for you guys in the description box, but you can look at Walmart and I'm pretty sure they will have it. Okay, the next thing that I have been loving is these little wallets from Walmart. They have a bunch of different patterns. This is the one I picked up for myself, and then I actually picked up this one. As you can see, it still has the tags on it for my giveaway. I was going to do a giveaway at 50,000, but I think I'm going to do it at 40,000, which I am very, very close to 40,000. So once I hit 40,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and this is one of the things that's going to be in it. There are some really, really cute items. I cannot wait to show you guys, but it is the Victoria wallet. It was $9.97 at Walmart. They have a pink one with cactuses. This one, my sister got one that's like a very pretty aqua color with a very vibrant hot pink little rosettes all over it. There's some like rainbow colored ones. There's a plain mint one, I think. There's a plain coral. But they are just really nice. They have this big pocket back here, the little one here, and then of course it unzips and you have all of that room on the inside. But for 10 bucks, you can't beat it. It's super cute. I get compliments all the time when I pull my wallet out. They're like, where did you get that? And I'm happy to say Walmart, because 10 bucks, anybody can afford that. A lot of you guys that follow me on Instagram have been looking for these, and they are hard to find because they are so cute and so affordable. I think people just grab them up, but I did find this one. When I got mine, it was the only one. So when I went to another Walmart, I checked and they had this, so I grabbed it really quick so that I could get one for you guys. So good luck to whoever wins my giveaway, which help me get to 40,000 guys so I can do that. Okay, the next thing I have been loving is something that I've been loving since last year. I think it's been close to 7-8 months, maybe even more. I worked with the brand Native. It's a natural deodorant. I've done videos on them before, but when they asked me if I wanted to work with them again, I was super excited because I was running out of the deodorant that I already had. And guys, honestly, this is the only deodorant I have used since I tried the Native deodorant. I have not touched another deodorant. I threw out my old, I think it was Suave or something, or maybe it was Dove. I just tossed it because this stuff works so good, and they just came out with their spring scents, and yes, I am loving them. That is my favorite thing about Native, is that they have seasonal scents, and their scents are so unique. So like at Christmas time, they had candy cane and lemon cake. Lemon cake was my favorite. They had mistletoe. They have some scents for men as well. Of course, I don't use them, but they smell really good. They smell manly. They have some unscented ones, but they have their new spring ones, and I'm going to show those to you. So they sent them to me, and I know I am going to butcher the name of these probably, but I'm going to try. This is what they look like, and it does not have like parabens, and it does not have aluminum in it. Yeah, it's paraben free and aluminum free, which is like the main thing. It does still have some other ingredients. It's not 100% natural, but it's a lot healthier than the drugstore ones you could buy, and it works really well. And I've tried some other natural deodorants, and they just didn't work for me. But the Native works great. Like I said, I've used nothing since, and I love how they have such unique scents. So I'm just going to tell you what they sent me. What I'm using now, and hopefully I say this right, is lychee, and goji berry. I don't know, guys. I'm going to do a close-up so you guys will be able to see the names, but this one is what I'm currently using, and it smells so good. It just smells sweet and fruity. It just smells almost like strawberry. I really like this one. It smells really good. They're not very strong scented. Some are more strong than others, but they're just the right amount of scent. And yeah, that one is what I'm using now. And then they also sent me fig and honey, and that one smells, oh my gosh. It smells so good. It's sweet. I'm very bad at describing scents, but it's a very sweet scent. I'm going to love this one too. I already know it. And then gardenia and orchid. And that one's going to smell very floral, I'm assuming. So let's see. Oh yeah. This, if you guys like the peony from Mrs. Meyer's, the peony multi-surface spray, you would love this one. This one smells good. I love them all, to be honest with you. I've never been disappointed in one of their scents that they've had. Like I said, they do spring scents, so I'm excited to kind of see if they'll come out with anything in the spring, but probably, I mean, it is the spring. In the fall, it will probably be fall time before they do, but maybe summer, I'm hoping. I don't know. But summertime, or I mean, fall time last year, they had pumpkin spice. What else did they have? They had coconut and vanilla. I don't have that one on me, but I use that too. They had coconut, vanilla, pumpkin spice. Just some really awesome scents. I really love that. So yeah, anyways, if you guys want to try a natural deodorant, I highly recommend trying the Native brand. When I've done videos with Native before, I've gotten a lot of positive feedback in the comments from people who have tried Native and that love it. So I would definitely give it a try, and I have a 10% off coupon for you guys in the description box, so you can get 10% off if you want to order the spring scents. Okay, so this is my random favorites, and this one is totally random, but I had to add it in because I have been loving it, and it is actually popcorn, but it's not just any popcorn, it's kettle corn. If you have never, and I'm holding that upside down, if you have never tried kettle corn, and if you don't even know what it is sweet. So it's sweet and salty, so it's like every woman's dream. It is not real buttery, it's just salty and just the slightest touch of sweet, and it's so good, and it's a great snack option, especially if you're trying to like watch your weight. You can kind of get that salty like you would get from chips, but that sweet that you would get from candy. And I get the ones in the individual size bag. So when this is an individual size. This is by Pop Secret, by the way. They have different brands make it, but this is by Pop Secret. And I get the individual bag size, so I can pop the popcorn, and then it's just enough for me to eat, because my girls, well, Kinsley eats it a little bit, but for the most part, it's just me that eats it. So it's a great snack option, super easy to make. Obviously, you just pop it in the microwave, and it's so good. So if you've never tried kettle corn, try kettle corn, and I'm almost positive you will love it. It is so good. Okay, so the next thing, I actually had a very sweet subscriber send to me, and it is like Scentsy, but it's not. And the reason I'm excited to share it with you guys is I know a lot of you are really conscious about the chemicals that you're putting into your home, and some of you would rather not have like Bath and Body Works candles or Scentsy, or maybe you're just like I am and you like trying new things and healthier options and adding them in when you can. And that's why I love that. This company is called Country Scents, and their packaging is super cute. I'm about to show you. This is what their packaging looks like. This is a candle. This is the little wax melts. She sent me a bunch of stuff, so thank you, Ashley. And I have been trying it, and this one is Monkey Birch, so it smells like banana. And it smells really good. All of their scents are very not pigmented. They are very strong, so you can really smell them. This is in Dress Up Party. It's very floral, and I've been using it in a really cute little warmer that she sent me too. So they actually sell warmers and the little plugins that you can plug in right into the wall too. Just like Scentsy does, they have some really cute options, totally comparable to Scentsy if you ask me, but they use like natural oils and things like that. They don't use, it's all soy candles, and they use oils and things like that. There's not a lot of the chemicals that are in other things, so that is a really good thing. And then also she sent me this one, which is in Love Poem, and it's just like an odor eliminating room spray. This smells exactly like Love Spell. You can get this in the candle as well as, I think you can get it in pretty much anything they offer. The wax melts, they have little, they're not beads, but they're like little sacks of scented, so you could throw it in like your car or your laundry hamper or something like that. But Love Poem smells exactly like Love Spell, and what I do with this is just spritz my pillowcase with it every couple of nights. It just smells good. But you can spray it in your room like a Febreze type thing, and it smells really, really good. But the best part is that there are no chemicals in them. So I'm going to link Ashley's website for you guys in the description if you want to go check that out and order some for you guys. And I'm sure if you have any questions for her as far as scents go, she would be happy to help you pick some scents. I told her to just pretty much, I looked at all the scents on the site and I loved all of them, and I was like, pretty much just pick what you think and send it to me. So I was just really happy that she sent me all that she did. That was very, very nice of her. Okay, I have two more things to show you, and the next one is going to be, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me talk about this a lot, but if you don't, then you haven't seen me talk about it a whole lot, and it is TEAMI, and you've probably heard of this before. You've probably seen it in Facebook ads. You've seen other YouTubers talking about it. A lot of us have worked with TEAMI, and I'm going to tell you my honest story with TEAMI. So I had seen, like you probably have, the ads, and I've seen the YouTubers use it, and I've always been really curious, but I really just was very skeptical because, I mean, nowadays it's just really hard to tell when somebody's being honest about something, and you know, and of course everybody has their own experiences with things, but I really did want to try it. So when they reached out and asked if I wanted to work with them, I thought, what the heck, it's worth a shot. If I don't like it, then I just don't have to say anything about it. So they sent me the skinny tea and the colon tea, and they have a bunch of different teas, but these are the ones that interest me the most. So this is like if you're trying to do a detox, lose a little bit of weight, trying to get ready for bikini season. They have some options too if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, because I don't think they recommend these if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, but they do have some that you can take. They have lots of options, like I said. But anyways, I was really interested in the colon cleanse specifically because TMI, I have a lot of issues in that department, and I get bloated very easily. Foods, pasta, and things like that really cause me to have a lot of stomach pain, and I have a lot of trouble. And I've tried everything under the sun, including other teas. I've tried laxatives, I've tried natural supplements, I've tried magnesium, other teas, everything that claims to work, and some things work okay and the other things don't work at all. Like I said, I was super skeptical, but I thought I might as well try it. So they sent me this really cute little tumbler, and it has this little thing here, so you can put, because the skinny tea is a loose leaf tea, so you're going to put, I think it's a teaspoon in here in hot water and steep it. So this, you put this in, and that way you can just drink it and you don't have to worry about straining or anything. It just makes it really easy. And then the colon tea has actually little individual bags, so you wouldn't necessarily need the little strainer thing, but I use it anyhow. I was worried about the taste, so I'm going to tell you about the taste. It tastes like green tea, and what I do is I heat it up and I steep the tea in it, but I add honey and I stir it up really good, and it makes it very sweet, and it is really, really good. So I drink it warm with honey, and I drink it at night, which is what they recommend, and you're supposed to do it every other night. It not only cleanses your colon, it also cleanses a lot of your other organs as well, like your liver, I think, is one, and your kidneys and things like that, but you're going to mostly notice it in your colon. I tried it. I had no expectations. In fact, I drank it and I forgot that I drank it because I literally did not think it was going to work. I was just kind of humoring it, to be honest. I thought, well, it's a cute tumbler, whatever. The next morning, I was literally blown away at how well it worked. Nothing I've ever tried in my life has ever worked this good. And so when it worked, I was like, oh, this is awesome, but I bet it's just like one of those beginner's luck type things. It worked one time, it's never going to work again. Yeah, right. So I do this every other night. It has worked every single time like magic. It's amazing. I've never tried anything that's worked this good. It does not cause me to cramp up and have a lot of pain. It does not have me running to the toilet all day long. I mean, you probably want to definitely not have to rush out the door in the morning, if you know what I mean. You want to have some time in the morning, but you would be fine to leave the house that day. I lost 3 pounds the first week I tried this stuff. My bloating goes completely away when I drink this tea. My stomach is like flat as it has ever been. It's amazing. I love it. I love the taste. I love everything about it. So please, if you've been skeptical like I am, I'm telling you, give it a shot. I have a 15% off coupon code for you guys. It's KCAC15. It will be linked in the description box. It'll get you 15% off if you tried anything. Get you one of these really cute little tumblers and get you the colon tea. This is my favorite. The skinny tea is good too, but to be completely honest, I haven't really given this a fair shot. This one claims to give you energy, reduce cravings, and reduce bloat and things like that. And it tastes good. I just haven't been as consistent with it. Okay, last but not least, I saw Carla McKenzie here on YouTube. I follow her on Instagram. She had posted this on her Instagram stories, and she said she got it from Hobby Lobby, so I ran in there the next day and I found one, and I'm obsessed. I did not need it at all, but it is this notebook right here, and it says, "Hello." I love this black and white stripe print with the floral. It is like my favorite print ever. It's just so colorful and vibrant, and it has the gold, or it's like more like copper spiraling right here, and then all it is just a notebook, but it has all of this, and I use notebooks every single day because I write everything down: grocery list, YouTube things, things that I want to do, notes, just anything and everything. So I love notebooks, and I love this one. I love that it is hardback too, because I can like sit another paper on top like this and take notes if I wanted to. But it was $9.99, and you can use your 40% off coupon, so it's really good price as well. And they have a bunch of planners and different accessories that match this at Hobby Lobby as well that I was looking at. So if you were interested in that, you could check that out. But I just had to get this notebook. I love it so much. It's so pretty. And thank you, Carla, for sharing that on your Instagram story, because I was so happy to go find this little thing. And I think, let's see, with 40% off, it would have been $6. It would have been $6 with your 40% off coupon. So you really can't beat that. That is a really good deal. It's a large, it is a 10 by 7 or 7 by 10, however you want to say it. So it's a good size too. So yeah, I got that at Hobby Lobby. Tucker has been laying here beside me the whole time. I know some of you will ask where he was. It's been a long time since I've done a sit-down video. So for you, those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, because I plaster his little face all over my Instagram stories, here he is. He's doing good. He's getting fat, aren't you? Because he ate 2 bags of my white chocolate Cadbury eggs that I had for Easter. Didn't you? Yes, he did. And thank God they were white chocolate, because if they had been chocolate, we'd have been in a heap of trouble, wouldn't we? Alright guys, that is all of my random favorites that I have been loving. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys can go out and find some of this stuff if you're interested. Don't forget to check the description box. I will have everything linked there that I can possibly find for you guys. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I post over there a lot of behind the scenes things, a lot of things that I find as I find them, things like that. So definitely go follow me over there, and don't forget to subscribe if this is the first video that you watch tonight, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Could I taste them for real?